Okay, good day everyone, and welcome to another set of video tutorial in mathematics, especially in exponential inequalities. Okay, so shout out sa tanan grade 11 generous, humility, thoughtful, and courteous. So, I hope makatabang ni sa inyong examination. So, para ni sa inyo, and tana na may masabdan aning video. Okay, so let us start. So when we talk about exponential function, it is a function that is expressed or denoted by f of n is equal to a to the power of n, where a is our base and n is exponent. So a to the power of n is an exponential expression. Okay? So this is still under in exponential function. So let us start with the exponential inequalities. Now in solving in exponential inequalities are inequalities with exponents that can be solved similar to solving traditional equations. So take note in solving exponential inequalities. So inequalities with even number exponents usually have two solutions. And the inequalities with odd number exponents have only one solution. Okay? So, kung ang exponent daw kuno sa atong inequality is even or pares, na duha ka solution. Kung bungkig daw kuno ang exponent or odd, na aray isa ka solution. Now, let us try with this example. So, to simplify, to solve this one, we need to express both sides or both base equal. Okay, so given tag base 2 and 512. So i-identify nato asa may mas gamay sa duha. Is it 2 or 512? So obviously, ang pinakagamay is si 2. So therefore, 2 will be our base. Okay, si atong himuon nga base. So copy, we have 2 to the power of 4 to the 2 to the power of 4x plus 1. Then, copy ang inequality symbol which is less than or equal to. Okay, so, himuon nato diri nga base is 2. Then, think of a number that if we are going to raise to 2 mo equal to 512. Okay? So, naatay what number man atong exponent nito para mo equal to 512. So, natay positive 9. Okay. So, 2 to the power of 9 or 2 times 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 2. Meaning to say, nag-indicate si exponent if kapilahon na to multiply si 2 by itself. Okay. So, natay 2 to the power of 9. This time, pariha naman sila og base which is 2. Pwede na dahil nato sila i-cancel ang base or bring down their exponents. So, the exponent diri sa left side natay 4x plus 1 is less than or equal to the exponent of the right side which is equal to 9. Then, simplify. Solve for x or solve for the resulting equation. So, we have 4x plus 1 less than or equal to positive 9. Then, ang atong goal diri is to find the value of x. So, napatay 1. Si 1 karon kay wala say kauban. Single silang duha ni 9. Okay. Wa sila mga kauban. Si 4x na say kauban. Okay. So, atong buhaton this time, atong i-transfer si 1 to other side. Okay. Atong igrupo ang constant and na ay variable. Okay. So, unsa man atong buhaton para mawala si positive 1 diri mo atong goal tanggalo na to eliminate positive 1, we need to apply subtraction property of equality. Okay, unsa man na siya? So subtraction property of equality, okay, that is 4x plus 1 minus 1. So unsa nga number atong i-minus kang 1 para ma-0, para mawala siya, di ba? That is 1 is greater than or equal less than or equal to positive 9. Now karon nag-minus ta diri ang side, mag-minus po dapat daw kuno ta diri nga side to maintain the balance of the equation. Okay? Para balance. That is the rule of subtraction. So, cancel. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, wala na siya. Ang nagpabilin diri sa left side is 4x is less than or equal to positive 8. 9 minus 1 is 8. Then, simplify. So, to find the value of x, si x ra gyud atong ipangita, but we are given 4x. So, to simplify this one, we need to apply, okay, division property or the multiplicative inverse property. Okay, so let us try with the multiplicative inverse. So, si 4x. What is the multiplicative inverse of 4? So, we have 1/4. Inverse ni 4 is 1/4. So, multiply 1/4 both side of the equation. So, 4x times 1/4 or 4x times 1 is 4x over 4. It's less than or equal to 8 times 1 is 8 over 4. Then, simplify. 4x divided by 4. 4 divided by 4 is 1 times x. That is, x is less than or equal to 8 divided by 4 is positive 2. So, therefore, the exponent of x karon kay 1, meaning add, bungkig. So, therefore, naara tayo isa ka solution set sa atong given inequalities. So, we have the solution set is x is less than or equal to positive 2. Okay? So, that is on how to solve exponential inequalities. Now, let us proceed with the next example. Okay. Next example, we have 3 to the power of x is less than 9 to the power of x minus 3. So, una na tong buhaton, we need to express both side or both base equal. So, natay, tanaw na to, asa may mas gamay, si 3 or si 9. So, obviously, si 3 ang pinakagamay. So, si 3 ang atong himuon nga base. So, we have 3 to the power of x is less than 3. So, what number atong exponent ni 3 to become 9? So, naatay 3 to the power of 2 to the power of, di na to kalimtan ang exponent, which is x minus 2. Now, mauna ni ang forma karon. 3 to the power of x less than 3 squared to the power of x minus 2. Now, exponent to another exponent. This is based from the power of a power law of exponent. So, atong isimplify. We have 3 to the power of x is less than or equal to 3. Then, multiply exponent to exponent. 2 times x, that is 2x. 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. So, karon ang atong goal nga parehag base na, which is equal to 3. So, this time, pag ma-achieve na nato, ma-equal na ang base, so bring down their exponents. So, exponent sa left side is x is less than or equal to the exponent diri sa right side, which is 2x minus 4. So, karon ato na pong igrupo ang naay variable o kadtong mga single or what we call constant. Okay? So, karon x and 2x. So, mas dako si 2x. So, ato ipabilin diri. Then, ibalhin nato si x diri. Si negative 4 atong ibalhin pod sa pikas. Okay? By applying properties of equality. So, this time, we have x minus x is greater than, is less than 2x minus x. Nag-minus ta, both side to maintain the balance of the equation at ay minus 4. Okay. So, x minus x is 0 is greater than, is less than 2x minus x. Now, 2x minus x is x minus 4. Now, si 4 karon atong ibalhin sa pikas. We need to apply, since this is negative, apply ta og addition property para ma-0 si negative 4. So, naatay 0. Okay, this is x minus 4 plus 4. Now, nag-plus ta diri ang side, mag-plus po ta sa diri ang side. Okay? So, to maintain the balance of the equation. So, this is now 0. So, 4 plus 0 is 4. Is less than or less than x. So, the value of our x now is 4 is less than x, or x is greater than positive 4. So, this is on how to solve exponential inequalities. Okay, so next example, we have 2x cubed plus 14 is greater than or equal to 30. Okay, so una na tong buhaton, atong igrupo. Ilahin na to, i-transfer na to sa pikas, right side ang constant, or katong mga number nga single. Walay mga variable nga kauban. Then, katong mga number nga na-variable, ato lang ipabilin sa left side. Okay, so to eliminate positive 14, we need to apply subtraction property of equality. Okay, so unsa nga number atong i-subtract ang 14 para ma-0, para ma-eliminate? So that is also 14. So copy 2x cubed plus 14 minus 14 is greater than or equal to 30 minus 14. Now 14 minus 14 is 0. So remaining expression in the left side, we have 2x cubed is greater than or equal to 30 minus 14 is 16. Then solve for x. Now to solve for x, we need to eliminate positive 2 on the left side. So to eliminate this one, we need to apply the multiplicative inverse property of equality, or divide both side by positive 2. Okay, so 2x cubed divided by 2, or 2 divided by 2 is 1 times x cubed is x cubed, which is greater than or equal to 16 divided by 2 is 8. Now, karon, we need to identify if the exponent of this exponential inequalities are even or odd. If even, natay duha ka solution. If odd, naray isa. So, x cubed. Now, 3 is odd. So, therefore, naaratay isa ka solution. Okay, so, to find the values of x, we need to find the roots. Okay, roots of this given function. Okay, so, since the exponent is 3, we need to apply the radical rule. Okay, take the cube root. Since cube ba ng exponent, so cube po ang atong index. So cube root, then take cube root of another side. So cube root of 8 and cube root of x cubed. So cancel ang 3, cancel ang radical sign. So ang nabilin is x is greater than or equal to cube root of 8. This is positive 2. So since x, the exponent of x, or the exponent of the variable is odd, so therefore there is only one solution, which is x is greater than or equal to positive 2. Okay, so let us try another example. Okay, next example we have, so this is example number 4. We have 2 to the power of 2x to the power of 2 is greater than or equal to 32. Karon, na natay constant and na variable. So, wala natay angay i-grupo. What we are going to do next is solve for the value of x. Okay, so solve for x by dividing both side by positive 2. So, ingon aning forma, diretso na ta divide both side by positive 2 to find the value of x. Now, 2x squared divided by 2, or 2 divided by 2 is 1, times x squared is x squared. Then, copy the symbol of inequality. 32 divided by 2 is 16. Now, tanaw na to if the exponent of our variable x is even or odd. And the exponent of this one is even. So, pare si 2. 2 is the smallest even number. Then, we need to take the square root by applying the radical rule. Okay, so take the square root of x squared, then square root of 16. So x squared, cancel. Nabilin is x is greater than or equal to the square root of 16. Now square root of 16 is positive. Square root of 16 is 4. Now since the exponent is even, so the solution set are x is greater than or equal to positive negative 4. So we have x is greater than or equal to 4 and x is greater than or equal to negative 4. So these are now the solution set of the given function. Muna ang duha. Okay? So that is on how to solve exponential inequalities. So number 5, 3x squared is less than 27. So pinakagamay nga base is 3 and pinakadako is 27. So 3 will be our base. So we have 3 to the power of 3x to the power of 2 is less than 27, which is equal to 3 to the power of 3. Okay, so pareha nag-base. Then, divide both side by, so pwede rin nato siya pareha ang base. Then, bring down the exponents. Okay, so, okay, next example, number 5, is 3x squared is less than 27. Okay, so we need to find automatically the value of our x. So to find the value of x, apply division property of equality by dividing both side by positive 3. So 3x squared divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1 times x squared is x squared. Copy the symbol of inequality. Then 27 divided by 3 is 9. Okay, so we have x squared is less than positive 9. Then, tanawon na nato if the exponent of x is even or odd. Now 2 is even, meaning to say pares. So therefore, natay duha ka solution set. Okay, to find the solution set, we need to identify the roots. Okay, the roots of this given function. Okay, so since the exponent of x is 2, so therefore we need to get the square root of x squared, then square root. So kung unsa gibuhat sa pikas, same process sa pikas. So take the square root of x squared and square root of 9. So 2 makancel, so mabilin is x is less than the square root of 9 is 3. So we have, since exponent niya is 2, so we are given by 2 set of ordered pair, which is x is less than positive 3 and x is given by less than negative 3. So natay x less than 3 and x is less than negative 3. So that is on how to solve exponential inequalities. So that would be all for this video tutorial. I hope you've learned something from our discussion for this day. Okay, so God bless everyone. Thank you for watching this video.